council. But just on the person to me.
I'm ready to be a part.
And reading, come on, at the far a bra, ex-NAFCO boss. Anan wahaba yachino and a bra the attorney general no drop the charges against them. Echebe who say yoko befa woman and ready unkomo. Ama be some who be brave. Yaina young say lawyer near alternative or so Dina Samano Kase or Shresania acquire a bay adding Yuma Faswa or who say Yama Totubre. Now, this is about you see, we need good men in our justice system. Now, I'm not so crying. MPP for some I can say, oh, no, say, and I had the yokono, and I had the intimidating one. And then about. But let's take away the NPP and the Omono the former Attorney General, who is a lawyer to the ex-NAFCO boss, Anan, and Sema Waka, said we need good men in our justice systems. What is he implying? Mona Yemra and Tibia will not be met as a cacra.
You would have said, Sir, Mr. Kofi or Casa, the next question asks, what did he do? Where was Attorney General? With all the contingencies that were sounding around in terms of the Minister of Finance now, Dr. Tufosi, any Japanese, how did he manage that issue? And see, media, Bishop of Adami or Kase, we need good men, then he needs to look at himself first before he starts with himself comments. You cannot be a pot calling a kettle black. Because we all know the issues that are happening in his tenure and how it ended. It doesn't mean, say, you cannot make that comment, but of course, so who make this advice or making such comment, and you must come clean. You show background that we are better saying what is happening now. Of course, there may be some issues and justice system which it is as old as Adam, and then we encounter these issues. But people who have taken over offices and being work in the justice system now, they have managed the issues around, and then we can hit our chest and say, "Hey, our justice system is at its highest level." Nobody said the justice system. The Supreme Court celebrated an anniversary. That's a few weeks or months ago. Now, our anniversary, was based on how far we have come so far as our justice system was there. And fine, sir, your freedom of speech, you are liberty to make your comment the way you want to do it. And the Mr. Gordon from the man, he's free to make such comments, but. But do you think it's a fair statement to the judiciary? The point is that you cannot be a pot calling the kettle black. That's my point. I see. So who person making such comment? Then you need to look at somebody this way. You make such comments. What they are saying, a fair comment. The messenger is important. So who can fair commenter? The one we say must also be a fair person. What they are saying, messenger no crumple away here. So matter thing, because you cannot look at yourself now. What time you didn't do anything about it. Now can say we need good men. That say what do you mean by that? That's what I'm saying. And see, so and what do you mean say will come into a fair compwa. Even you, as Attorney General in your time, what did you do? That today, she says she had a position. Now we are lawyer for former public appointees, right, or government appointees, and maybe out who you want to criticize. Then the next one to be maybe I would time what did you do? How did you do it? Now, your conversation you compared your to what is happening now. Not people say, I see you can't know or yes, or no, I was somewhere right. Are that important to make such, comment or contributions? I will say, I can't walk up on that. Yeah, Shana, you stay away from your office, do you now have the temerity to now talk about good men? Then there's a problem.
Even Abayokrano is trying to find a way out of it, so we can the OSP.
Who is that? The OSP.
Yes.
Tell me, I told you yesterday. Say, look, we know the law in Ghana. Say, 1992 Constitution. I can say any law which is inconsistent with the 1992 Constitution is void. The first line would be with the 1992 Constitution. What we are saying. Yeah. Now, I also said, the court doesn't follow you and work with you like a bodyguard when you are engaging in illegality. One of the FM 92.3. That's the court you say. Say, now engaging in illegality or is void, and the court will sit on it and decide. What is here? When they were creating the statute for the office of the special prosecutor, it wasn't done in parliament. It was done in parliament. For some members of parliament raised concern, but don't forget that in any of parliament about majority. What is here? You can't be piano. It comes to voting and the minority takes it. That's it. What he has said. But it didn't mean that the office of the special prosecutor was riding on the horse of illegality. Sisiano, a new administration has come. Attorney General, Wakai Emrano, and now he has raised concern. Say, Emra, yet setting up the office of the special prosecutor is contrary to the 1992 Constitution, which means it's void. Because the 1992 Constitution, the only party that must engage in criminal prosecution of public officials is Attorney General. Attorney General Compono, so Obama was 2 million. So it's another institution taking that power of prosecution. They need the consent of the Attorney General. That is why the police, Ghana police, some person who prosecute you can seek the consent of what? The Attorney General. What they are saying? They say, a man of the it's based on the tax sheet. There's a limit that the police may prosecute you. Because Emrano will say it is the Attorney General that has the power. And I think it's a fair comment. Attorney General say, no officer of special prosecutor, so who are sent up to the prosecutor, come to my table for consent. It's as simple as that. Why that should be an issue?
I see.
Because the other canon, it is in accordance to law. An office of the special prosecutor, they cannot prosecute on their own. And they're contrary to law. And that is what they are saying. Yeah. But here's the catch. Anka, anybody to go to the court for interpretation, number one. And two, asking, say, that the office of the special prosecutor is engaging on the back of illegality. We should be praising the office of the special prosecutor. Then I can say, oh, office of the special prosecutor, my idea. Almost making sure that Katasha project any can get down. Almost fighting now. Can say, oh, these are their success rates. These are their when it comes to cases on your back. It doesn't matter because look, say, oh yeah, not still you are on the back of illegality. They want to do it. It's useless. What they are saying.
Sure.
And this is here and continue has made it clear and given the order said. Office of the Special Prosecutor, Fafa Bina Embra Attorney General.
I see.
Now, at a bar, you come and seek consent. Per the 1992 Constitution, not per their own laws of the Attorney General.
I see.
What you say? One of them say in Kofor senior lawyers, legal colleagues, no can say, the law that was governing the office of the special prosecutor, now it was on the grounds of illegality.
I see. And someone, the former AG, Godfrey Dame can say, and the NDC is using a Yoko to intimidate them. No, now I don't know. You can say.
What is the meaning of the NDC using Yoko? You see, I mean, it's difficult for me to comment because in say you will BNI, you will Yoko, you will National Security, you will Ghana Police, and yes, now all these institutions, objectives, aims, functions, right? Say a falling within powers are. right? They have the right to invest you. What they are saying, they before within their powers, right? They come say, you know, if I say, when within your power, you don't think I'm inviting. Self and you're inviting what? Then it's within their power. Now, someone invited them almost establishing evidence beyond reasonable doubt. Say you have engaged in partnership. Go ahead, can I say, you do a quarter. How is the NDC using Iyoko to intimidate you? Then say, yes, sir. Then it means, say, whoever is making that comment will go to court and catch a court and say, there's an abuse of power. As they are saying, if you have an issue, you just go to court and make your point clear and tell them that the court say, a government abuse of power. What they are saying. But what do you mean in a press conference? Now, and I'm afraid it's a for now. And then that one it will be viewed as propaganda. What they are saying.
Well,
you know what to do.
I
Got a point that you know what to do. Say, who feel say, be abusing the power. What they are saying. You know what to do.
Just have to go to court.
As simple as that.
Thank you so much for your time here this morning. I'll pay you. Lawyer Gideon Tetteh. We're grateful, sir. It's 92.3 FM. Let's stay on for the 8 a.m. business news. And I pay your tea saying, Lawyer Gideon Tetteh. What's the MPP for TBBS? They should go to court. On the table stand, you hear the same comment. Let's stay on TikTok. You're the 8 a.m. business news. Enjoy the news this morning.
Ahotor FM 92.3.
Ma mebunu achibiem emo akwaba emra Adekyee Mu Nsem dwumadie so ebraso se de abobo ano se adwadie ani sikasem ye de to Adekyee Mu Nsem dwumadie so ede ema wo na mampani abedi akire